If you're experiencing FPS drops in CS2, this guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your gaming performance. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance your gameplay experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage. Upgrading hardware may be necessary for optimal performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the Settings menu. Lower graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow effects. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve FPS. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Disable unnecessary background applications, adjust power settings to high performance, and ensure your system is not in battery-saving mode if you're on a laptop. Step 5. Monitor temperature and performance. Use software to monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures while playing. High temperatures can lead to throttling, which causes FPS drops. Ensure your system is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans and components. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your CS2 performance. Regular maintenance and updates will help keep your gaming experience smooth.